Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix when only one earbud isn't working on your headphones BEOPLAYE8Sport. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, close the case and open it again. After that remove your headphones from the charging case and it should fix it, but if it doesn't, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, just press and hold both connectional buttons on your headphones for at least 10 seconds, until you can see that LED light start flashing red. Here we go. Now, click the settings icon near to your headphones or information icon if you have iOS, then forget device. Now click pair new device and press and hold both connectional button until you can see that LED light start flashing blue, like I have right now. Now click on it and pair. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.